Hey guys, excited to be back doing another video with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and talk about creating your living room space, placing furniture, and how to make it look more like a home instead of just having your room tags. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here onto your toolbar or your Revit ribbon, go to place component. You're going to start searching for and finding components that you want. As you remember, in some other videos, we talked about Revit City and how you can load in other components and find things to fit your style and where you're at. But just for this video, we're going to go basic and just find what's in here. So let's start with a couch. So we'll search couch. So no couches are coming up. Now we got a tub. We don't need a tub. So we're going to go to load family. Make sure you're in the US Imperial. And then we're going to go to furniture. Let's go to seating. And let's see if we can find a couch. Alright, here's our search. So I'm going to go with this one because I like that they're the chair Corvu that match, and we'll bring these both in, but we'll do one at a time. So we'll start with this couch. Okay, that's loaded in. Just hopefully you have an idea of how you want your living room to go. So I'm going to bring that in, place this couch right there. I'm going to go in and load into family a new one because I want that chair as well. Load that in, and then again, just rotating is super simple. It's just pressing your space bar. And like you see, you can create those angles as well, which is kind of neat. So you want to angle it this way off there. So you're going to do it around an entertainment center or TV, you can do that. But you can also go ahead and continue pressing that space bar and just get it straight on. Let's say we want it sitting just right there, more for like conversation. Then press escape. Be able to get out of your component and go back in. Let's see if we have any rugs. I don't know if we will or not. But again, the quickest way to do it is just hit the search, type in rug, area rug. Okay, there's none. Let's see if there's a TV. No TVs. End table. Okay, so none of that. So again, more your entourage, more things we're going to have to load in. So we'll go back to load in here. We're done with our sofas. So let's go back. Let's go to furniture. Let's go to tables. Let's go with a coffee table. That'll work. We got end tables too. Nightstands, whatever kind of design you want to do. Let's go with this coffee table. It's nice and basic. Load that in. That's a lot smaller than I expected to be. Oh, it looks like there's different sizes. Just click over here. There is. It'll show you different sizing. We're going to go with this larger table since it's the center of the room. That's maybe a little bigger than what I'd want. So we're going to go down. We're going to click over here again on our properties tab. We'll go with the one that's right here in the middle. That's actually smaller than what I want. So we'll stick with that large one. That's fine. Place it the way you want. Go ahead and center it with your couches too. It's always a good thing. Put that there. We can align our couch too. If you remember, align AL. We'll go ahead and align the couch. There we go. This is just getting the start, and this is how you'll go ahead and start loading in and placing those components that you want in there. Again, let's say we want a dining room table. We want an oval table in there, rectangle, whatever you may want to be. You can open that up. That brings that in. Now our dining room table in here as well. There's your dining room table. There's so many different things. Your options are limitless on what you can bring in. Again, there's beds for your bedroom, seating, storage. See, we got an entertainment center here. That's fine. I can find you. Let's go ahead. Let's bring an entertainment center. That'd be fun. Oh, again, probably center that in the living room. And how do we know we're facing it the right way? Well, we'll talk about that in the next video. So just an idea. Then again, you can go back. It's starting to give you a feel of where your space and your layout is, with just instead of just the room tags. And then you can adjust those to make those fit the way you want as well. All right. We'll see you guys next time.